Hey there, folks. Today I'm reviewing the JB Chef Ultra Sharp Kitchen Scissors. They're herb scissors and heavy-duty kitchen shears for chicken, meat, poultry, fish, nuts, and more. They're dishwasher safe, which is excellent, and they do come with a guarantee. So these are multi-purpose kitchen shears. We're going to go ahead and open them up and see how they actually come in. Wrapped in plastic, I guess, maybe not super well. I'm going to be careful here because they do say they're sharp, and I always believe somebody when they tell me something sharp. First thing I can tell you off the bat is the handle is pretty well weighted. You can feel the heft in there. It's a nice sort of rubberized plastic, so it's not going to get super slippy. These aren't designed for righties or lefties. They're more of an ambidextrous design. People have problems with that because they're used to scissors that fit their hands. But, honestly, if you're using these as intended, you might have to switch hands anyway, just get quick cuts. So these are multi-purpose, as I've said. Obviously, they are, right off the bat, they're kitchen shears. Kitchen shears vary in the sense that from regular shears or scissors, and that they're really great for cutting up fish and chicken. It's a lot cheaper to buy a whole chicken and break it down yourself, and a pair of shears like this can help make that task easier. You can get in there and cut through the skin, the fat, you can crack the bones, and really, really get in there. In fact, what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring in this magical t-shirt scrap, and we're going to fold it not once, but twice. And yeah, look at that. Look at that. Nice clean cut right through that nice thick jersey material. Now granted, that's probably a lot tougher than most chicken skin. Definitely tougher than chicken fat, I can tell you that. They are multi-tools, so let's go ahead and take a look at the box. So yeah, it's not the most crazy packaging, but I'd rather have a good product. I don't care about the packaging. So, what we're gonna look at here, so there you go, you can see their breakdown of it. There's the company logo. And thankfully they do give us a warning that they can be sharp and dangerous because not everybody pays attention. They are made in China, they're not US made, and the first thing that you'll really notice on the box and on the scissors themselves, unlike most kitchen shears, these are not separable. You're not able to separate them. So that means they definitely need to go in the dishwasher when you're done. Especially when you're working with raw and poultry products to prevent yourself cross-contamination, salmonella, any of that icky stuff. But let's take a look at what they offer. So you'll notice this serrated edge on the back of one of the cutting blades. The first thing that most people say, it's a fish scraper. It's a really good descaler, or scaler rather, and it's a heck of a lot easier than using a wooden board full of bottle caps like the Boy Scouts taught us how to do. A lot easier to handle because you can just kind of grab and scrape up the fish, just like that. They also point to this as the bone cutter. So, as I said before, when you're breaking down a chicken, you gotta sometimes crack through the bones and the joints. And you really don't want to use the cutting edge for that because it'll dull it down and make your scissors less useful over time, the shear part. So what you'll want to do is you'll get in there, and then the bone will go in there. Now I'm being very careful, don't do this with your own fingers. You'll want to get the bone in there, and then the leverage that you'll get in that divot against this sharper edge will help crack that bone, make that chicken easier to break down for your family to enjoy. As is pretty much commonplace with almost any kitchen utensil these days, there's the ever-present ubiquitous bottle opener. Because it's one of those things where I'd rather have one and not need it than need one and not have it. And of course, the nutcracker area. Cracker area, I don't know. Personally, I don't crack a lot of whole nuts myself, but this is great for other things. You can use it to get a little bit more leverage on a bottle, twist it open. If you've got problems with twisties, you can do it that way. Again, you want to be careful because you're going to be putting a lot of force in there. Don't let your little tootsies or your fingers be in there. These shears do come with a lifetime guarantee, which is really great to hear, especially again, because you can't separate them and really get in there to clean it. So if you're kind of a fanatic about cross-contamination and making sure that you're cooking the safest way possible, that might throw you off. But a run through your dishwasher at the highest temp possible, or if it has a sanitation mode, will really just help wash that away. Most kitchen shears that I've seen worked with, they don't recommend dishwasher washing at all. Ones do, and mainly, again, I think because they don't separate. You don't want to put knives or other sharp things in your dishwasher. It dulls the blade, and it makes it, it could also cut any covering or protective thing within it. So, like I said, I've used a few different shears in my lifetime. I did open the box, but I can tell you right off the bat, again, that ambidextrous handle isn't super great, comfortable right now, but I like the weight of them. I like the action. I keep snipping it, so I like the action. And I think these will make a really handy addition to our kitchen arsenal. If anything, just as a backup, or when we're breaking down multiple things at once, I might use this pair for chicken and use another pair that we have for beef or something else if we're trying to get a lot of stuff done at once. So overall, I'm going to give them a 4 out of 5. If anything, just for the build quality and the fact that their dishwasher's safe, which is just super convenient these days. But, you got to try it yourself to determine if you really like it, and that guarantee is a really nice thing to have. So check them out.